Hey VanGang, so I'm back with another video, and today is going to be a haul. It's going to be a collective haul of makeup. I got some PR from Ulta, as well as I have some things from Ulta, kind of like collective because I placed 2 separate orders from Ulta. I also have some things from some fellow beauty influencers on YouTube, so stay tuned if you want to see this collective makeup haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I was sent from Lancome. Y'all know my skin has been bugging out lately, so I'm very heavy into skincare right now. Lancome was kind enough to gift me with the Rose Sugar Scrub, and this is what it looks like. And I actually have started using it, and I absolutely love it. I try to use it 2 to 3 times a week. It is very soft on the skin, so it's not like a harsh facial scrub. So I really like it, and after you rinse it off, your skin feels so smooth and hydrated. So I have been really loving this, and I'm finding out I really love Lancome skincare. They have some amazing skincare, so I'm gonna look into some more products that they may carry. So I ordered the Molten Magic palette from Morphe, and this is a 12-piece lip topper collection. It comes with 12 lip toppers. So these are kind of like minis. I thought they would be a little bigger, but they're like minis, and I guess because you're getting 12, the fact that they are this small is fine. You're not going to use all of them. I thought they were lip glosses. I should have read further into it. I didn't know they were lip toppers. But if y'all want to see me do a swatch video on these on my lips, please let me know and I will do so. I haven't did a swatch video in a very long time, but these are very pigmented, okay? And it's so many colors. So this one is like a champagne-y pink color. Then there's this like iridescent white color. Of course, it has other colors in there because it is iridescent. Then they have like this golden iridescent color right here. There's this pink purple shift iridescent color. Then there's this like peachy gold iridescent color. This one is more of like again a champagne pink, but kind of like with pearl iridescence. Then they have more opaque. This one is kind of like golden, but I could also see like a hint of like I don't know if it's pink or orange. Like there's another hint of color in there. Then this one is like a maroon burgundy color. This one is like a mauvey pinky purple iridescent color, kind of more opaque as well. Then we have like this bronzy color, another pinky gold, and then this one is like a rose gold. So if you want to see these 12 swatched on my lips, just thumb this video up, let me know down in the comments, and I will definitely do that. So from Ulta, I also got the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, and what sold me was this girl did eye look on this palette, and I fell in love. I don't have any other palettes with these like purple mauve colors, so I tried it out and I actually have it on my eyes today, and as you can see, it is very pigmented. I love the quality of these shadows, and this is definitely from the new batch. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm already loving this palette. Live Glam actually was kind enough to gift me with the Kiss Me collection, and these are 3 liquid lipsticks. So the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. If you would like to see me swatch these as well, please let me know and I will do them in a separate video. But really quick, I'm just gonna swatch them on my hands. So this one is in the color Relevant, and I'm gonna swatch it at the top, and this one is kind of like a pinky orange. Then this one is in the color Numero Uno, and I'm gonna swatch that right below it, and that's more of like a peachy nude, and it's right here. And this last one is called Most Wanted, and this is the deepest one, and I think that's the only color that I would actually wear. If you want to try these out, I will have them linked down in the bottom bar for you. The formula is pretty comfortable, so, and it went on very opaque, so they are very pigmented. From Ulta, I also got the Morphe Glitter Fever metallic eyeshadows, and I just fell in love when I saw these. I actually used one of them on my lids today. So wherever you see it sparkling, that is what I used. So it's these three colors, and it reminds me of the MAC pigments, but these are not loose glitters. These are actually liquid eyeshadows that are very pigmented, okay? So this one is in the color Flicker, and I'm just going to swatch it right here on my hand. It is black with gold and green reflex. This one is the one that I have on my eyes today, and it is like a rosy gold, but kind of more champagne-y, and it is called Days. And the last one is a silver, it's pretty silvery, kind of reminds me of an ornament in Christmas, and it's called Poppin'. And I'm just gonna swatch it right at the bottom. Oh, that's beautiful. So these are gonna be perfect for the holiday season. So this is what the liquid lipsticks look like once they are swatched. So these are the three eyeshadows, and I think they are so gorgeous and pigmented, and they dry down and don't move, so I like that. Next up, Scentbird was kind enough to gift me with one of their products, and this is the Radiant Beauty Oil in Lush Gold, and I just wanted to try this out because if I'm gonna be wearing anything off of my shoulders, I need to have some type of glow, boo. So yeah, I want to look sexy and sparkle in the club. So tomorrow night when I wear my off the shoulder shirt, I will definitely be putting this on my whole entire neck and shoulders, okay? Sis is gonna be glistening when them lights hit. It has a light scent, but it's it just smells like a oil, and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna put it right here and see. Ooh. Okay, so it does come out, and as you can see, it has like a gold. It looks gold. Okay. Oh, it has a beautiful scent. Oh, I love the way that smells. Oh, okay. So up close, I can't really see a difference, but in the camera, I could definitely see that this part is shining way more. It just looks very radiant. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this tomorrow. I also got 3 brushes from Morphe, and I got that from Ulta. So this is the M501, and I figured I could use this to apply my highlighter. You know, I just want to try out new brushes, because sometimes I don't like, you know, the brush that I use, you know, so this could be a backup. It might replace that brush, I don't know, but I think this would be just perfect to apply right here. And I could definitely use it down my nose here, just anywhere I need to use it. I think this would be perfect, so I can't wait to try that out. And then I have the M432, which is, I think this is like a concealer brush or a liner brush, but I will be using it as a concealer brush. And it's a flat brush, so this is what it looks like. I think this is gonna be perfect because it's a little bit more stiff, so that'll help me be a little bit more precise under my brows. And last but not least, this brush is the M165, and this is an angle liner brow brush. And this should be perfect to do my brows with. Okay, so I can't wait to try these 3 brushes out. So I recently got 2 of these, but I think this is the one I already had. I don't know how it got mixed up in here, but just in case I didn't, this is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Visionary palette, and I believe I did haul this already, so we're gonna move on. Okay, so I picked up the other 2 palettes, so now I have 4 of these palettes, and I think they have like 6 or 7 of these. So this one is the Reloaded Velvet Rose from Makeup Revolution, and I think this by far is my favorite Makeup Revolution palette. Okay, so it has a whole bunch of those like burnt orange colors. This is just perfect for the fall, and I literally have to stop myself because I could use this palette every single day of the week. I love it so much. I did already do a tutorial using this palette, so if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna have it linked down in the bottom bar. So next up, I have the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette. I also have the Neutrals 2 palette, and I love that palette. That's my second favorite Makeup Revolution palette. But this one is okay. I did create a look. I didn't put it on my channel, but I did like how this look that I did came out. It had like these berry colors, and it was really deep, but it was like a halo eye, and then I had that golden bronze color right in the middle, and it looked really, really nice. So if you are looking for a very affordable palette that is pigmented, I would definitely recommend these Makeup Revolution palettes. They are only $7, y'all. Next up, I ordered this palette from a fellow YouTuber. So she did a collab with a brand called Glo. So this is the Glo by Glory times Benji palette. Okay, and this is Benji. Go check out her channel. She does beauty videos. She's also plus size, but she has been losing weight and she looks amazing. As soon as I saw her palette, I was definitely intrigued. It is absolutely gorgeous. If I was to create a palette, it would look very similar to this. Of course, I probably wouldn't make it look like this now that she did it because it doesn't make sense, but I think her palette is just perfection. I can't wait to try it out. So this is what the outside looks like. I absolutely, y'all know, I'm obsessed with marble. Look, I'm obsessed with marble, granite, those type of things. It's just so clean and just so pretty and girly. So hers is rose gold and pink. It's just really, really pretty, and it has that rose gold writing in cursive. I love it, and it says the Glow Up palette. So this is what the front of the palette looks like, and you do get a huge mirror at the top. But do y'all see how big this palette is? This palette is huge. I did not expect it to be this big, and I just love the color story. Oh my god. So you have your neutrals, you have these colors up here that you could actually use either on your lids, or you could even use them as a highlighter. So I love that, and I think these colors are so pretty. And then you have this pop. This color right here and this color right here have to be my 2 favorite colors out of this whole palette, and these colors up here are just gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this palette. When I swatched it, it was very, very soft and pigmented, so I cannot wait. If y'all want to see me do a tutorial using this palette, definitely let me know, but show your support, and I will have her link to her channel as well as a link to her palette down in the bottom bar. I think this palette was like $35 if I'm not mistaken. All right, it doesn't say on the receipt, but I think it was $35. The shipping was so quick. I think I got it in like 3 days. So I ordered some stuff off of Chanel. I only ordered 2 things. So the first thing I got was the Chanel Illusion d'Ombre. Okay, and what this is a like it's kind of like a bouncy paint pot. It reminds me of the ColourPop shadows. Very, very bouncy, moussey type of texture, and you just basically put these on your eyelids, and it's like a topper. I would not recommend putting it on by itself unless you just want like a sheer wash of glitter, because that's basically what it looks like once you do that. But I'm just gonna swatch it. It's so soft and it's pigmented, and it gives you like a wet look. So as you can see, I'm into these type of products because lately I have been buying a lot of like moussey, kind of like wet looking bouncy textured shadows that you put on top of other shadows. Like these type of shadows complement other type of shadows, so I like it. So the last thing I got from Chanel is the Rouge Coco Gloss in the color 722 Noche Moscata. So this is what it looks like. It looks very similar to caramel, but I don't like this one as much, to be honest with you. It's more sheer. Yeah, it doesn't really do anything for me personally. I'm definitely gonna wear this with a with chestnut lip liner. I think it'll look nice together. It's kind of has like a light mauvey tone to it, but sheer. I did purchase a new MAC lip gloss in Bittersweet Me. That's what I have on my lips, but I left it in my bag, so I'm just going to show you one of my old ones, and this is what it looks like. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. I always tell y'all, every time I wear this, I get a million questions on what's on my lips, so go check it out. So I wind up ordering some more Prime Luxe lashes in amber. I showed y'all this. She sent me these before to, you know, basically just show y'all, and I fell in love with them, so I've been ordering them ever since that time, and I literally just stopped wearing the first pair, so they last a really long time. These are only $10, so I would definitely say go support her, go pick you up a pair. These are freaking amazing, and yeah, these are my favorite, and I'm gonna bust open a new pair tomorrow when I go out. I cannot wait. These lashes are everything. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite items that I got from the drugstore, and I got the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I finally got my hands on it. I've been wanting to try it out for probably months. I can't even remember, like it's been months. But this one is in 050 Molten Rose Gold. I was so happy that this is the one that I finally seen in the store, because y'all know I'm obsessed with rose gold everything. So it's so freaking pigmented that it's not even funny. Like, do y'all see that swatch? Jeez. This is one of the most pigmented highlighters that I own, and it was $10.58. I wish they had more colors in the store. I probably would have got every single color that they had. So I'll have links to every single thing down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed. I'm so excited to finally do this video, because now I can start playing in my makeup. Let me know if y'all want to see a get ready with me with any of these products. I hope y'all enjoyed. I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs me up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I love y'all, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.